Von and Mara, welcome to your wedding. Indeed, it is truly a beautiful day to celebrate your love with one another.
Palangga. I never thought this day would come, that I'd be standing here marrying the woman I proudly call the love of my life. You have been my best friend, my favorite person, and the home I get to carry with me wherever I go.
My palangga, Von Ryan, standing here today in front of all the people we love. I am filled with overwhelming happiness.
And we can build this thing together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still love each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes,
You receive her to be your lawful wife and promise to develop this relationship as long as the Lord gives. You receive him now to be your lawful husband and promise to develop this relationship as long as the Lord lives.
I accept. I promise to stay soft in the hard moments and to love you with honesty, even in silence. I vow to listen without defense, to love you without conditions, and to support your growth. Not just the part I understand, but even the ones I'm still learning.
I promise to grow with you, to annoy you in all the best ways, to protect the life we build, and to choose you every single day. I can't wait for the rest of our story, to infinity and beyond. First time may nakita ni Mara, lunch break to namo. So, kauban ako Sandra.
Magkita mi dapat sa akong friend kaya na ako iuli. So, taga-Water District siya. And then, ana siya nga iuli lang daw nako sa among isa ka friend. Which is, kay wala siya. So, nag-meet mi sa katukong friend ako sa college. And then, kauban niya si Bon.
Ang first impression ko kay Mara, anang makatanaw jud ko ba? Nang gwapa, simple, nga buutan kay tanawon.
Mo na yan ginabalik-balik nga. Wala daw siya ka-remember sa ko ato nga time. Pero ako ka-remember ko nga, kauban siya ni Sandra.
Na inumduman pa ba ito niya? Na-adequate na moment pagkita na mo. Pero siya, nabilin kita sa una-una, sa first meeting na.
Siguro, ano lang ito ni Lord na. Kamugit ang kitadahan, ibabalik kita sa Davao. So, ako tawag siya Sir Bo, ibalik sa Sir Abdullah.
Paano siya, chance good kayo na mo na I think faith yun ang nagdala na magkita mo.
Lang bro, papangandaw na yung pagkakita.
Ikaw po ba nang?
Congratulations to my brother, and I'm so happy that you found your partner, you forever, and I wish you everything. I love you.
Mami, minyo ano jud ko. Sayang na, pero I'm sure na nagkatanaw makasama karon. Bantayin me pero may mami, i-guide me, and then i-bless me pero. Love you, mami. Promise to love you more with each passing day. I will celebrate you, cheer for you, and remind you how extraordinary you are.
Palangga, today, I want to thank you for
Marriage is not just a mandate again. It is begun in the heart of God when he said, "It is not good for the man that the man should be alone." Let God out of your marriage, last up, love your spouse or those.
I vow to be your guide, your beacon, your compass. I'll point the way, fold the map, and still let you direct sa atong pag-drive. Ay okay naman sa kuha mali, traffic, as long as ikaw mong kauban.
Thank you for your never-ending patience and generosity. Na always imong ginasyon na naako mo before imong sarili. Sa atong kabinyoon, I promise to be your safe place. I won't always get it right, but I will always come back.